make my knees buckle. You're a hand on my thigh, rubbing eyes, that's how he makes my knees buckle. Your tattoo show, kiss me slow, trust the hoe, hell no, that's how this goes. Knees buckle. Know me man, tryna make me join OnlyFans. They wanna see the bussy, they wanna bust, but I tell them hop on the bus to see the pretty scene. Just kidding, my man from Florida, and he smelled like Subtle weed. Illegal things stands in front of me, black hoodie, and he's got an orange beanie. Two earrings, he's the one who absolutely 100% controls me. And he says no, give it a go, I'm trying to save you, Rose. Look into my eyes, make me cry, make me ride, and make my knees buckle. Knees buckle. Look into my eyes, make me cry, watch me cry, and make my knees buckle. Knees buckle. Knees buckle. And I'll be buckling.